Guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change for gray Rams, and now we buy a Ram. I'm here to show you this 2016 Jeep Cherokee, so let's take a peek. And under the hood, this has your 3.2-liter engine. Since it's a Trailhawk, it's going to have the red tow hooks there, blacked out rims on this one, keyless entry on either side of it, nice new tires. Then of course you're going to have a backup camera and your hitch receiver, and of course the other tow hook right there. In the back here, you're going to have a lot of storage, a nice little cargo net here, and a full-size spare right underneath. But we're going to go inside the vehicle and then we're done. Inside the vehicle, you do have full leather all throughout. They are heated seats, automatic transmission, and of course your 8.4-inch screen with nav. You have lane departure and forward collision warning, and a panoramic sunroof. But we're going to go in the back seat and then we're done. And in the back seat, the leather followed all throughout. Lots of room for passengers, and then you do have a little console there. But if you want to make this Jeep yours, give us a call 780-942-3629, or for more pictures, pricing, all that good stuff, click the link below.